Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin. Today we're looking into more information on the Bitcoin's price, how it is about to go up. But before that, we're actually looking for the altcoin run, and I guess the Bitcoin is going to drop after that. But once it will drop, you'll have another chance to buy more coins before a massive explosion that waits for us in 2024. But it is about to happen soon, and we already understand that the market is about to explode massively. But first of all, we need to go down a little bit, I would say. So let's go on the news. What do we have here? If Bitcoin breaks this level, the bull market is really back. But if it breaks it down, we're about to go down, and then the bull market will start, because we'll have a huge long double bottom trend, and we'll be looking for a massive explosion after that. Bitcoin perfectly bounced at the moving average 20 blue line. Once again today, moving average 20 proves to be indeed a friend. Remember the liquidity pool that was mentioned in the Sunday report at a $43,600 region. A control structure disguised as a free market will do everything in its power to retain control, and it gets stronger by the division of you within it. All you have to do is stop playing by its rules. Yeah, I've been on a Bitcoin's customer support line for hours asking for more coins and lower transaction fees. Anyone reached the CEO yet? He gets the max holiday time. I don't think he comes back until after January 5th. Yeah, I had the chat this morning, and CEO told me that a high fees is a feature, not a bug. I left confused. Anyone can explain that to me? So yeah, people having fun, I would say. But yeah, let's move on. Senator Elizabeth Warren is aggressively lobbying for warrantless unconstitutional mass surveillance for everyone in the United States just to ban Bitcoin. They're going to keep spending money, more money than they have. They're going to keep printing money. They're going to keep causing inflation, and they're going to try and ban you from owning assets that protect you. It's all obvious, and you need to understand it before it's all fully corrupted and become rich, I would say, and just escape the reality of the poor people. This too shall pass. High fees create efficient uses of block space. Efficient uses of block space create low fees. Low fees create efficient uses of the block space, and inefficient uses of block space create the high fees. That's what you need to understand. The world is not ready for this chart. Raul GMI continues his excellent work with monthly GMI report. At 200,000 Bitcoin in 2024 suggests a true and imminent change in a world. Zero exposure will pose career risk for traditional money managers. Money and value gets redefined, and that you need to see. I have a wonderful story to tell you that has moved me a lot. For almost 2 years now, I have had the prints of my drawing produced by the same company here in Germany. I try to craft a new Bitcoin drawing every month and have it scanned and then commission the prints. So far there are 25 different drawings, all of which deal with Bitcoin in one way or another. When I unpacked yesterday's delivery, I received a small message handwritten on a piece of paper. Thank you for showing me Bitcoin. An email address was also written down. It could only have been enclosed by an employee of the company, I'm guessing the person packing, and I think it was via that route, as he didn't want to ask for my email address at the company. And you have to imagine, for 2 years a guy came in regularly and wanted hundreds of prints with the topic of Bitcoin, and most likely he employee thought to himself, what the hell is it about the Bitcoin that people are even drawing about it? That's how he came to Bitcoin, and now thanks me this way. What a delightful story and a way to orange pill someone. I'm so grateful about it. Bitcoin liquidation map. The longer we move sideways around this price region, the more liquidity will build up on both sides, which will eventually act as a fuel for the next move. Main areas 41,000, 43,000, which correspond nicely with the horizontal areas as well. So it's a 50-50 fight. It's a 50-50 fight, I would say. Here's my current thoughts on the state of Bitcoin. Short-term bearish, expecting a correction at least to 37,000. Mid-term bullish so far, but it depends on the ETF. And a long-term Q4 2024, Q1 2025, around the 170,000 per coin. My strategy is save some dry powder and wait for a correction, and that's my strategy as well, and you need to build yours too. Wrapping your head around the Bitcoin is hard because we have all grown up in a system that uses fake money. It's not normal for us to see the value of our savings disappear over time. Today we're taught that inflation is normal, and in fact some people claim that inflation is a good thing because it forces viewers to spend their money. The reality is inflation is not normal, prices of goods shouldn't be going up constantly, technological innovation leads to lower prices and higher quality goods over time, and the current financial system would collapse if prices started dropping, so central banks print money to ensure that we don't go into the deflationary period, and this is when prices drop. On top of this, governments continues to go further into debt to push political agendas. The system isn't broken, it's working exactly as intended. The average person is meant to be a slave to the elite. Bitcoin fixes this by creating a new financial system and providing a way to transact without banks. The future is bright when you study Bitcoin. High fees, Bitcoin has come a long way. You could buy Bitcoin on Kraken and send it to your wallet on your phone over LN regardless of the congestion. Zero fees instantly. You could then go on and buy something with it using your Bitcoin with LN. Analysis of the current status of Bitcoin and altcoins. So as of the time this article was prepared, the Bitcoin price is at 41,900 and a significant portion of altcoins are experiencing modest losses. Altcoins that have been experiencing parabolic increases have turned their direction downwards due to the negativity of in a Bitcoin price. So what does the current outlook for Luna Classic, Bonk and Injective coin indicate? What is the latest situation for these rapidly rising cryptocurrencies? When the risk appetite increases, Luna Classic, which manages to attract more investors with its speculative surges, continues to remain risky in the long term, and the normal prices movements are fueled by excessive demand and rarely is amplified by investors who assume that more speculative surges will occur. Luna Classic found support at 16 digits after dropping by 42%. After potential short-term bounces from the critical support level, peaks of 20, 23 and 28 could be targeted. The Solana-based meme token Bonk, which is defied the general market's uncertainty, was one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in December, and it rose impressively in a short period of 2 months. Bonk price is currently undergoing a correction phase and has fallen by 38% to 21 digits, and if downward pressure continues, the support is at 18 digits with the 4 zeros could be tested. And on the weekly chart, Injective has gradually increased throughout the year, and acceleration of the uptrend towards the end of the October led to a convincing break of $25 resistance on the December 13th. Such decisive breaks are extremely important as they indicate a trend reversal, and currently trading at a 29.70, this altcoin may seek support near the resistance area due to the signs of weakness in the Bitcoin price. However, close above the resistance will keep the $50 target valid, which means a potential rally of 68%. The cumulative volume of cryptocurrencies is below $50 billion, and the global market value lost their 1.6 trillion support. If the coming PC data on Friday exceeds expectations, it could trigger larger sell-offs as the last business day of the week approaches, and the anxiety in the market could lead to weakness in the altcoins market. That's all we got for the Bitcoin today. See you in the next one, and peace.